Hey, good morning, Judith. Just looking through your budget, I'm going to make a few suggestions here. A fair attempt, considering that you're not an Excel expert, um, nor am I, but I have learned how to use it over the last few years. Right, one of the major problems is that you have used the gross profit figure here in cell D21, okay, as a basis for your other expenditures. So if you look on cell C24 here, for example, the formula refers to C21, which is your gross profit. In fact, your formula should refer to into C12, which is your total income. Now, just to make this a little easier, I'm going to fix the top there. I want to, where's it gone to? View. I want to freeze those panes on the top, so that row will always be there. Right, coming back down here, all these columns refer to C21. On that one you've got 25%, this one refers to 10%, this one refers to 3%, etc. And then this column here in D, for example D24, it refers to C24, okay, as a percentage, okay, of C12 of your total income, which is not what you've got some funny formulas in there. Okay, what we should be doing, in fact, I'm just going to wipe all these out. I'm going to delete all these. Right. In your labour costs, right, it's going to be equals total income, which is C12, times D24 percent. Okay, so whatever figure you put now into D24 will change this figure here. So I'm going to write in, you suggested that that should be 25%, so I'm going to type in 25, enter, and it shows you what your labour costs would be in monetary terms. Now it's easy to copy this formula down all the way through here, but if we do that, initially the whole formula will jump down. Look, if I copy that now, control copy, and come down a couple of points there, and you see in the formula bar it's now referring to C14, this one is referring to C13. So that doesn't do us any favours at all. What we need to do is to fix in this cell here C12. We always want, whatever happens, we want these cells to refer to C12. To do that, you put in a $sign before the number, so it will always refer to C12. Okay, now we copy that, control copy, scroll down and have it all in there. Okay, although it doesn't show up, it's showing they're all blanks. If you now put in 10 there, it gives you the figures. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. Over here we can copy both of these. Control copy to there, and you see that now 25% of that figure, 321, is £80, because we've copied the formula across. It now refers to E12 rather than C12. If we want to make a constant reference to the column as well, you put the $sign in front of the column letter, so it will always refer to that number. Alright, so you can copy these down, control copy, blah 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 blah, down there, etc. And if you put 10 in there, so on and so forth. Okay, I'll just delete. I'll leave those numbers there. Basically, I use those numbers are the ones that you indicated were the correct figures to use. So let's just get rid of those. Okay, there they are for you. Scrolling down, you mentioned something about VAT on your email. I don't know what you refer to there, but looking at that, looking at the rest of this, I think it's all right. Right, I hope that helps. You need to do a bit more, putting a few more numbers in down this column here and this column here, and it will work it all out for you. Right, I'm going to stop the recording and send this off by email. Bye.